In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a realistic lantern glow in PICSART. Okay guys, here we are again. So let us start up with a blank canvas. So we'll click on blank document, click on width, make it 1000 pixels, done. Click on height, make it 1000 pixels, and click on OK. So what we want to do is to import the images. So you click right here, click here, photo layer, photo library. So I'll select the folder where I have my image, click on the image and click on add. So let me scale it to fit. This one is nice. Click on done. So now let us import our lantern. But before we do that, I think we should darken this image a bit. So we click here on adjustment and click on curves. So just take it down a lot. Take this part down even more, like so. So the glow could have a lot of impact. Click on done. So now let us add in the lantern. Click right here, click here, photo layer, photo library. So this is the lantern image and click on add. So let me just put it right at the middle. Okay, let's get rid of this other one. So just click right here, pick up your eraser tool, just brush it out. Easy. So now let us add in the glows. To do that, we want to add an empty layer above. Click on empty layer, pick up a brush, a paint tool. So let's pick a color, use any color like reddish orangey. So go to the brush, make sure the size is 100% and the hardness 0%. So just click once, click right here, click on transform, make the size smaller, like so. Think I should make mine bigger, or you can click on extra, click on lock aspect ratio, increase it like so, make it thinner. Okay, click on done, set the blend mode to linear dodge. You can see before, after, it kind of give it a bit of a glow. So you can reduce the opacity if you pleased. So now I think we should work on the background. I think we should add some glows to the background. So to do that, click right here, click on the background layer. So let's get rid of this empty layer, or let's take it to the top because we want to create an empty layer anyway. So click on color, go to HSB. I think we should increase the hue a bit to a bit more yellow. I think I would love to take the brightness up. Okay, and click once at the background like so. Come over here, click on transform, take it to the side, make it a bit bigger, like so. Done. And try change the blend mode to overlay. So next thing you want to do is to click right here, duplicate this layer, click on transform. So click right here, transform, increase it a bit, Done. So I reduce the opacity of this one and the second one as well. Then come back to this layer, duplicate it again. So this one I will increase it a bit. Click right here and transform. Take it, make it bigger. Okay. You can do that again if you pleased. Duplicate. Click right here, transform. Let's click on extra, turn off lock aspect ratio, or turn it on I should say. Click on done. So you can play with the opacity of the other ones, but let's leave it like this for the sake of this video. So now I want to add some glow to the lantern. So click right here, go to the top layer, which is above this layer. Click on this icon, click on this icon and add an empty layer. Done. Click on color, take the hue a bit to the back for an orange tone. Done. Click once, change the blend mode to screen. Reduce the opacity to your taste. Duplicate it, click right here, click on transform. Okay. Duplicate it again, click on transform. Like so. Maybe you want to take the opacity down a bit. Okay. I think the lantern image is a bit too dark. Let's brighten it a bit. So come over here to curves. Undo that. I think I want to brighten it. Or maybe give it some reds and yellows. Yeah. Done. So now what we want to do, we want to add some shadows. I think the lantern should be casting some shadows. So duplicate it, duplicate the lantern image, come over to toolbar, click on quick selection tool. So select this area. I think the brush size is a bit too big. Reduce the brush size. Select this area. Select this one as well. No. Let's make it even more smaller. Select right here. Yeah. Right here. Select right here. Okay, this is not working. So let's just go ahead and do it like that. Click right here, click on brightness / contrast, increase it to -100. Set the blend mode to multiply and click right here, click on warp. Take this part right here, take this part right here. Okay. So you can do more adjustments to it. Click on effects, Gaussian blur, increase it, reduce the opacity, before, after, yeah. So we are done. What's left is to add a vignette to it. So click right here, add an empty layer. Done. Click right here, click on gradient. Use a radial gradient. like this one. Do something like this. Done. Set the blend mode to multiply or overlay. Let's see. Let's try overlay. Yeah, I think overlay works better. And yeah, that is just it. We just made this cool light effect. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.